Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up sites in Rainbow Six Siege. Immediately, focus on reinforcing key walls and barricading entry points. Effective site setup is crucial for winning rounds. You will learn to prioritize defensive actions and coordinate with your team. Mastering these fundamentals will significantly improve your defensive capabilities and overall gameplay. Let's dive into the specifics of each step. Every defender has 2 wall reinforcements to use wisely. Prioritize reinforcing exterior walls and crucial choke points to deny entry. Barricades should be used to funnel attackers into predictable paths, slowing their advance. Remember to create rotation holes between bomb sites or within the objective area for quick team movement and flanking opportunities. This strategic placement is vital. Gadget placement is key to a strong defense. Place barbed wire in high-traffic areas to slow attackers and reveal their positions. Deployable shields can block crucial lines of sight, creating safe angles for defenders. Utilize traps, like Kapkan's entry denial devices, to damage or eliminate unsuspecting enemies. Always coordinate your gadget placement with your teammates for maximum impact and synergy. Understanding defensive roles is essential. Roamers, like Yeager or Vigil, disrupt attackers away from the objective, wasting their time and utility. Anchors, such as Smoke or Echo, defend the bomb site directly, holding crucial angles. Maintaining constant communication between roamers and anchors is paramount for successful retakes and information gathering. Adapt your strategy based on your team's operator selections.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.